Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. Today we discuss a topic called qualitative data in machine learning. So one of the important topic we have discussed today. When you have doubt, please kindly, when you like the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. So qualitative, with the previous session, I explained about what is quantitative and qualitative. Here, quantitative means what? It's relation collection of quantitative data from test scales and checklist. Example, we can say impact of cooperative learning and achievement in social science at second level. Let's we discuss the topic with some example also. On quantitative research saying there are various statistical techniques available like descriptive and inferential and so on. The computer like software like MS Excel and SPSS also useful for quantitative analysis. When I go for deeply the concept of quantitative research here. Qualitative research. Now qualitative research what will do? It relies on collection of qualitative data such as words and pictures here. Using highlighter. And data are collected from interviews, observation, focus group discussion, documents, and so on and so on. Moreover, the research like ethnography, case study, grounded theory, historical, and so on. And pass of qualitative data analysis. Here, example, you can say real-time example, identification of professional needs of teachers at second level. And analysis of in-service teacher education programs organized by SCRT Odisha like that. The moreover, the data can be analyzed by use of computer-aided methods for qualitative data analysis. The software like Lexicon, spin survey, non-numerical unstructured data indexing, searching, and theorizing also, Atlas, and so on and so on. And here, the process consists of the diagram like this: construction of diagram, tables graph, identifying relationship themes, segmentation, coding. First is here data collection is there, data entry and storage is there. Then segmenting, coding, and developing category system is there. Identify relationship themes, pattern, constructing diagrams, constructing diagrams, tables, graphs, and corroborating and validating result here. Like this, is the process going on here. When I go for qualitative data and data collection, it relates a collection of quantitative data, qualitative data such as words and pictures. Just now I told you here, the data collected from interviews, observation, and so on and so on. Real time. Then data entry storage. Here the data collected by using different tools like transcription. Here transcription means what? It's a process of transferring qualitative such data such as audio recording of interviews or fixed notes written from observation into type of text here. It is everything when you go for case study you can understand. When you go for real-time project also understand better way. Moreover, here the research can use voice recognition computer program also for transcription here. And segmenting coding here and developing category system. The text data is to be segmented for analysis here. Segment is a meaningful unit, maybe a word or single sentence or several terms or larger paragraph also. And also segmenting is a process of dividing the text data into meaningful analytical units. Any some word is it is divided some meaningful data, analytical data. That is a analytical unit. That is a use of the segmenting here. Then come to coding and developing. Here, coding is the process of marking segments of data with symbols, descriptive words, or category names. How to develop codes? There are two kinds of codes: inductive and a priori code is there. Inductive codes means what? These are codes generated by the researcher by directly examining the data during the coding process. Remember. And when come to the priori codes, these are developed before examining the current data. Whatever data they didn't examine, okay, they are developed before examining the current data, maybe before data collection. And categories are basic buildings of qualitative analysis, and it's a point or themes of research interest here. For example, you can say teaching qualities of teacher, students, teaching aid, and so on. And identifying relationship among categories. Here, after categorizing data, the researchers need to think for relationship among different categories and subcategories also. Here, the researcher refer to many kinds of relations or connections, including but not limited variables. Many kinds of relationship is possible, like you can say here, different relationship among categories, strict inclusion. Okay, spatial, cause effect, rational, function, sequence, attribution. So here, form of relation is X is a kind of Y, or else X is a result of Y, or X is a place for doing Y, or X is way to do Y, and so on and so on. So these are the different relationship among the categories. I hope that you understand some idea about this one. And drawing diagrams, here the useful diagram for useful tool for showing relationship among categories called diagramming. Here diagram is a plan, sketch, drawing, or outline design to demonstrate or explain how something works or to clarify the relationship between the parts of the whole. So like the diagram might be a network diagram, flow charts, and so on, also for understanding. And corroborating and validating results here, as qualitative research is subjective. influenced by research biases, its validity must be established here. There are different strategies to promote validity also. We'll discuss everything in the upcoming session, whatever there. And validating results, it might be research as deductive or extended field work, or law inference descriptive or triangulation. Description like this is there, collect data over extended time period and cross-checking information and conclusion through use of processor sources. I hope that you have idea about this qualitative data in machine learning. If you have any questions, please suggestions, kindly communicate with the social media, and data analysis in mixed research is not much important. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.